I love it. It was very easy to put together. I love the lighting to it. There's an app that you download. You see the there's an app that you download and you can use it from your phone. I love it. It has the colors is blinking. When I purchased it, I thought my microwave would fit lower. I have a bigger microwave, so if you purchase it, you might want to get a smaller, of course, microwave if you wanted to go at the bottom, which that's where I thought I was going to put it, but unfortunately I already had this microwave, so I just set it here for now, and then I'm going to purchase another microwave later. But it's a nice little buy, easy to put together. It fits wherever you need it to go in your home. So yeah. Easy to put together, cute, but too small.